Xero is an all-in-one accounting software that's simple and smart. With our integration, you can generate invoices based on the information you have in your account on TeamWave and Xero and track sent invoice statuses. This is a pretty good time saver when invoicing your customers. In this video, we'll cover how you can create invoices and see when invoices are paid or overdue. So let's see how it's set up. Head on over to Integrations by clicking on your profile avatar to get started. Then once you found the Xero integration, just click Connect to Xero, and from there you need to provide your Xero login details. Provide the details, give access to TeamWave, then enable access to Xero for TeamWave users here. Keep in mind that only super admins can do this. This integration links your Xero to TeamWave, and that means you can link an existing Xero contact to one on TeamWave, or you can create your TeamWave contact as contacts in Xero. And then in Xero, you can add other details like tax IDs, registered addresses, etc. We usually suggest linking an organization contact and the email of their accounts payable because typically an invoice goes to the accounts department of a company. Keeping in mind that our integration uses Xero's information, we suggest you also configure your products in Xero to make sure the right product code and tax are applied. In your CRM, a deal or contact needs to be open in order to access Xero options. So in this deal here, you will see the option to link or create contacts and create a Xero invoice. When you choose to link an existing contact, you will see Xero suggesting relevant contacts, and once the link is complete, you can create an invoice. If you already have invoices with this linked contact on Xero, they will automatically show up here. You can link and unlink your invoices with this contact to your deals by clicking here. This is a useful feature as an invoice can be linked to multiple deals and even projects. To create an invoice, you start by selecting the currency you want this invoice to be in. Then you add your products and services as items, add your description, finalize quantity and rates here. Since these products are initially configured at Xero, you can select them for any invoice in TeamWave. So once you're done adding your items and setting prices, click on Create to finalize the invoice. You can see the invoice on Xero by clicking View in Xero here, or by finding the invoice in the Details section. This invoice will already be in Xero, where you can submit the invoice as approved, and the status of the invoice will always be present in your Deal Detail view, even when a payment is made. In Projects Management, with your Xero integration active, you can add the details of your contact here within your project configurations and create a link. When you create a new contact, you provide details such as customer name, phone, and email address. Note that customer name is a required field. Don't forget to link this customer, or you'd only be creating a new customer on Xero. Now you can create the invoice. Select the currency and products and fill in a description, and you can create the invoice. Once again, these products are pre-configured at Xero, but you can adjust the quantity and final rates over here. And from here, you can keep track of all sent invoices and payments received for this project and see all invoices sent to this contact. And once you've set up your billable rates and project management settings and have logged time in your timesheet, you can export the timesheet to Xero and Xero will compile the invoice. You can also filter your results based on what you'd like to export. And you can track these invoices in your project configurations as well. And that's all there is to it.